Top 5 mind-blowing facts about time travel. Hello, and welcome back to Fun Factology. Have you ever dreamed of traveling through time, journeying to ancient civilizations, getting a sneak peek at the future, maybe even righting a wrong from the past? Today we're diving into the top 5 most fascinating facts about time travel that will blow your mind. Fasten your seatbelts because things are about to get seriously cosmic. Let's journey through the mysteries of time. Let's kick things off with a reality check, shall we? Did you know you're technically a time traveler? Every second, you're moving forward through time at the same rate. But it gets more interesting with astronauts. Time actually slows down for them slightly because of how fast they're traveling in space. They're practically time lords. It's called time dilation, and it's one of the craziest things predicted by Einstein's theory of relativity. Think about it. The faster you move through space, the slower you move through time. Now, before you book your ticket to the International Space Station, the time difference is very small, but it's measurable. It proves that time isn't this rigid, unchanging thing we perceive it to be. Pretty mind-blowing, right? Speaking of Einstein, let's talk about how his theory of relativity basically threw the doors open for time travel possibilities. In classical physics, time was this absolute, unchanging entity. Tick-tock, tick-tock, same for everyone, everywhere. But Einstein shattered that notion, showing us that time is relative. It can bend, it can stretch, and it can even theoretically stop. Now imagine traveling close to the speed of light. At those speeds, time would pass more slowly for you compared to someone standing still on Earth. So, in a way, you'd be taking a one-way trip to the future. There's still hope for us to become time travelers yet. Chapter 3: Black holes could be portals. Now let's talk about black holes, the ultimate cosmic enigmas. These gravitational behemoths are so dense that nothing, not even light, can escape their pull once they cross the event horizon. Some scientists believe that black holes might not be cosmic dead ends, but rather gateways to other points in space and time. Imagine this: the immense gravity of a black hole warps space-time to such an extreme that it creates a shortcut, a tunnel, if you will, through the fabric of the cosmos. These tunnels, known as wormholes, could theoretically connect distant points in space or even different points in time. The possibility that black holes could be portals to the past or future is enough to make even the most skeptical astronomer pause in wonder. Chapter 4: Paradoxes make time travel tricky. Alright, let's address the elephant in the room. Time travel is riddled with paradoxes. These are situations where the very act of traveling through time creates contradictions that make you question the very fabric of reality. Take the classic grandfather paradox, for example. Let's say you invent a time machine, travel back in time, and accidentally cause your grandfather to, well, not exist. Now, if your grandfather never existed, how could you have been born to travel back in time in the first place? It's a mind-bending puzzle that has plagued physicists and philosophers for decades. Confusing? Absolutely. But that's what makes time travel such a tantalizing and endlessly fascinating subject. Chapter 5. We're already building time machines, kind of. While we haven't quite cracked the code for building a DeLorean that can zip us through the space-time continuum, scientists are working on experiments that involve manipulating space-time in fascinating ways. We're talking about using powerful lasers to create tiny distortions in space-time, essentially warping the fabric of reality on a microscopic scale. Remember, the universe loves to surprise us, and what seems impossible today might become commonplace tomorrow. Who knows what incredible breakthroughs await us in the future? Outro: see you in the future or the past. Time travel might still be a mystery, but one thing's for sure, it's one of the most exciting ideas in science. Which fact blew your mind the most? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing daily facts. See you in the future or the past.